KTM 500 EXC-F 2024 skid plate installation guide. Let me begin by introducing the parts and the supplied hardware. We have a skid plate, we have 3 brackets, a rear bracket and 2 front brackets. The supplied hardware, 3 M6 by 16 millimeter long Allen bolts, 4 M6 by 20 and 2 M6 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers. The tools I'm going to be using during the installation: ratchet extension, 4 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key, and an 8 millimeter hex socket. We also recommend that you use blue medium strength Loctite. So if you haven't already, then you can remove the OEM plastic skid plate, 2 bolts up here, 1 on each side, as well as back here, 30 millimeter Torx if I'm not mistaken. Okay, grab the rear bracket and the 2 hex head bolts, apply some blue Loctite like I have. The orientation of the rear bracket is this bend line here. As you can see, this is the front end, the wider, and the narrow end points backwards. So we go like this, line up those mounting holes, and just hand thread the bolt. Only turn it a couple of times. Same thing on the other side. Now grab your M6 by 16 countersunk bolts. Again, blue Loctite. We'll mount the skid plate, keep it in place with one hand, and let it hang. Again, turn a couple of times only. And then the brackets, this is how they're going to go. The shorter piece goes on the right side. The longer piece goes on the left-hand side. And you can see the 90-degree angle bend that will end up being on the inside, not on the outside. This is the outside, that's the inside. Okay, so it's something like this. Okay, right side, short bracket. Okay, now you can go ahead and gradually tighten all the bolts. That means turn this bolt, for example, a few times, and then this, and back here, and then start all over again and gradually tighten all of them until they are snug. And once they are snug, you can apply the torque specs. And once they are all snug, you can pull them to the torque specs, which is 10 Newton meters, because these are all 6 millimeter diameter bolts. Once you're done, go out for a test ride and double check all the bolts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortech.com, or call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.